In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a bar symbol in Google Docs using two of the best methods. Let's get started by heading to your Google account. Once you've logged in, navigate over to Google Drive, where we're going to be working on either an existing document or creating a new one. If you have a specific document in mind that you'd like to add a bar symbol to, go ahead and open that up. If you're starting fresh, just create a new document to follow along. Now, the task at hand is to add a bar symbol, and there are two easy ways to do this. For the first method, let's head to the View menu in Google Docs. From here, click on Show Equation Toolbar to ensure it's enabled. Having this toolbar visible is crucial as it provides us with the options we need. Once the equation toolbar is showing, you'll want to click on New Equation. This step opens up several equation options. Your next move is to look for the fourth drop-down arrow from the left-hand side of the toolbar. Clicking this will show more symbols, and among these you'll find the bar line symbol. Simply click it and voila, your bar symbol is inserted into your document directly. Moving on to the second method, which also takes advantage of the equation toolbar, click once more on New Equation. In the equation box that appears, you'll type overline and simply press the spacebar. This will instantly create the bar symbol, and you can then add it to the text you're working on. And just like that, you can add bar symbols to your Google document with ease. By using these two methods, you'll see that inserting a bar is not only possible, but also straightforward and efficient. Whether you're editing mathematical documents or need the bar for any other purpose, you now have the tools and know how to do it effectively. So give these methods a try in your Google Docs and see how seamlessly you can incorporate the bar symbol into your work. As with any tool, the more you practice, the easier it becomes. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in enhancing your Google Docs experience. Happy editing, everyone!